Hello! I will tell you how to solve your problem if your sign up button doesn't appear. First, you have to make sure that your email is correct and available. And now, let's see the rules how to make your nickname. There are 4 rules, and make sure all of them are green. That's right. You can use Korean or English, but don't use together. Don't use it together. And make sure there is no space. Now, just check it. You can see this nickname is available, and the sign up button is appear. Now let's try if your nickname is correct but your email is not available. The sign up button doesn't appear, so you have to check it. Be careful, guys. Thank you.